Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers of 2026. The portable, rechargeable tools that make DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday tasks faster and easier. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or tackling household jobs, these screwdrivers combine power, portability, and convenience in compact designs. Today's models feature long-lasting batteries, ergonomic grips, multiple bit sets, and smart torque control, giving you the confidence to handle any project. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect one. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off with the Avid Power Electric Cordless Screwdriver Set. The Avid Power Electric Cordless Screwdriver Set is a versatile option designed for everyday household tasks. I love how it comes with multiple screwdriver bits and an extension, making it ready for a wide range of projects. The rechargeable battery provides reliable runtime, while the LED light adds visibility in dark corners. Its ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during extended use, and the forward/reverse switch makes it easy to change directions. The compact design ensures portability, and the included accessories make it a complete package. What makes Avid Power stand out is its balance of simplicity and functionality. It's not overloaded with features, but it delivers exactly what most users need. For anyone who wants a dependable cordless screwdriver for home and DIY projects, this set is a smart choice. Next up is the Fantic E1 Max electric screwdriver. The Fantic E1 Max electric screwdriver is a premium option that combines sleek design with powerful performance. I appreciate its multiple torque settings, which allow me to handle delicate electronics as well as tougher household tasks. The rechargeable battery provides excellent runtime, and the USB-C charging port adds modern convenience. It includes a wide range of bits stored in a compact case, making organization simple. The LED light adds visibility, and the magnetic bit holder ensures secure operation. What makes Fantic unique is its focus on both performance and aesthetics. It feels like a professional tool, but looks stylish enough to impress. For anyone who wants a high-end cordless screwdriver with reliable performance, the Fantic E1 Max is a fantastic choice. Moving on, the EnerTwist Cordless Screwdriver. The EnerTwist Cordless Screwdriver is built for power and convenience. With its strong motor, it delivers reliable torque for tougher tasks like assembling furniture or handling larger screws. I love how it includes multiple torque settings, giving me control over different applications. The rechargeable battery provides long runtime, and the fast charger minimizes downtime. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use, while the LED light ensures visibility in dimly lit areas. The forward/reverse function is smooth, and the magnetic bit holder keeps bits secure. EnerTwist also includes a variety of bits, making it versatile for different projects. This model is perfect for users who want more power than a mini screwdriver, but still need portability. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want a balance of strength and convenience. Stepping into premium performance is the Unimela electric cordless screwdriver. The Unimela electric cordless screwdriver is designed for precision and versatility. I appreciate its compact design, which makes it ideal for electronics repair, small appliances, and delicate DIY projects. The rechargeable battery provides consistent power, and the torque settings allow me to adjust performance depending on the task. Its magnetic bit holder ensures bits stay secure, while the included accessories cover most common screw types. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold, and the lightweight build reduces fatigue. What makes Unimela stand out is its focus on precision. It's perfect for users who need accuracy and control in their work. For anyone who works on gadgets, laptops, or small household repairs, the Unimela cordless screwdriver is a must-have. Finally, the Fantic E2 Ultra Mini electric screwdriver. The Fantic E2 Ultra Mini electric screwdriver earns its place as one of the most compact and stylish options in 2026. Designed for portability, it's perfect for quick fixes and delicate tasks. I love how small and lightweight it is, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Despite its size, it delivers reliable torque for everyday jobs. The rechargeable battery provides decent runtime, and the USB-C charging port adds convenience. The included bit set covers most common screws, and the magnetic holder ensures secure operation. What makes the Fantic E2 Ultra Mini stand out is its portability. It's ideal for users who want a screwdriver they can take anywhere. For beginners, students, or anyone who values compact design, this model is a smart choice. All of these cordless screwdrivers bring something valuable to the table depending on your needs and work style. The Avid Power Set is perfect for everyday household tasks. The Fantic E1 Max offers premium performance and sleek design. The Enertwist screwdriver delivers extra power for tougher jobs. The Unimela cordless screwdriver emphasizes precision and versatility. And the Fantic E2 Ultra Mini stands out for portability and style. When choosing a cordless screwdriver, it's important to consider torque, battery life, included accessories, and ergonomics. High torque is essential for tougher jobs, while compact models are better for electronics and delicate work. Battery performance determines how long you can work without recharging, and ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Accessories like bit sets and storage cases add value, making the tool more versatile and convenient. That wraps up my top 5 best cordless screwdrivers of 2026. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who wants to make household tasks easier, there's a perfect cordless screwdriver here for you. These tools represent the best balance of power, portability, and price, helping you tackle projects with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the screwdriver that fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right cordless screwdriver, you'll be able to work smarter, save time, and enjoy the satisfaction of getting the job done right. Imagine assembling furniture in minutes, fixing electronics with precision, or handling DIY projects without frustration, all with one compact tool. Power up your work, simplify your life, and make every project a success.